Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my classmate. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your teacher once again from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9, and I am Ghazal Rahil. This is your Journal Science unit, and today we are going to continue our chapter number 10 Pressure and Moments. Today we are going to end this chapter and we are going to study about the human machine. In our last class, we studied moments, liver, and moments. Today, we are going to discuss the human machine. Human, like most animals, have a skeleton inside their body. A skeleton is a system of bones, other supporting material, and has three important functions. Number one, support. Number two, protection. And number three, anchorage for muscles. Support is like a framework of a building. This gives the body its shape. And what the skeleton do more is gives protection to important and delicate organs of the body. And it also allow movements, stores chemical energy. It provides an anchorage for muscles. Muscles fixed to the skeleton can operate joints which enable the body to move. Afterwards, these bones which makes the skeleton acts as livers. The place where two bones meet is called joint. We all know about it. Most joints in the body are movable. Muscles move bones at joints so that the individual bones can act as livers. At joints, muscles are arranged in pairs so that one muscle of the pair pulls the joint one way and the other pulls it back again. Because the muscles work against each other, they are called antagonistic pairs. You can see in this picture, when the bicep contracts, what will gonna happen? When our biceps contract, our arm can easily bend. You can see triceps are relaxed, but biceps are contract and we can bend our arm easily. Whereas in this picture, when the triceps contracts, our arm can easily straightens, but the biceps relaxed. Triceps are contracted and biceps are relaxed. Our whole arm act as a lever. How? Because our elbow will gonna act as a pivot, our hand will gonna lift up any load, and our effort is done by the biceps muscles which pull with the force of our body. Balance and stability. A ruler will balance if it is suspended in the middle. Like all objects, a ruler is made up of tiny particles, each which has small gravitational force acting upon it. One side of the middle point is balanced by the weight of the particles on the other side. Together, the small gravitational forces act like a single force at the middle. This middle point is known as center of gravity. What it has to be done with the balance and stability? Yes, center of gravity is very important thing to understand first. For simple uniform objects such as ruler, the center of the gravity is in the middle and there is a shape cuboid and there is a cylinder type of shape showing its center of gravity. We can easily find the center of gravity also of the irregular shaped piece of card which is discussed in our page on page number 147 of your book. In your book, the diagram shows a picture of card swinging freely from a pin. A plumb line fastened to the playing hand vertically downwards. A vertical line is drawn along the plumb line. If the card is repositioned and hung from a different point, the point where the lump line crosses the draw line is in the center of the gravity. Stability. Some things fall over easily when pushed. They are called unstable. Others are difficult to topple. They are stable. The stability of an object depends on how far it can be tipped before its weight moves outside its space. What this happens the moment of the weight tips it over. Objects with a wide base, like you can see this cuboid, this cone, and this cylinder piece, they have wide base and a low center of gravity. These are more stable. So we can say they are stable one objects. And if an object is balanced, it is said to be in equilibrium. So we can say this is stable equilibrium objects. Stable equilibrium objects are those that tilts then fallen back to its original position. What are unstable equilibrium? Unstable equilibrium are the objects that tilts then falls over easily. You can see with this in these pictures that these objects are and these shapes are unstable equilibrium. There's another type of equilibrium is neutral equilibrium. Objects that rolls that do not tilt or fall down, that objects are rolls. Instead, it's the center of gravity always stays over its base like the ball. Like if we tilt the cone and roll it on the surface, it will become having the neutral equilibrium object. I hope it's clear to all of you. This is all for today's lecture. This is another examples which I want to show you about the stable equilibrium and unstable equilibrium and neutral equilibrium, their center of gravity and basis. Your assignment, what you have to do question number 3 and question number 4 from book page number 146, and you have to do question number 1 to question number 5 from book page number 148 from your book. These all work you have to do in your journals. This is all for today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.